Hello, Primary 6 students. This is Master George, your math teacher. Are you ready, students? Today, we're going to study about angles in geometric figures. This is Unit 3 in your book. Okay, open your book, page 22, students. This is warm up or practice. We're going to review about angles. Okay, this is page 22 in your book. Okay, warm up. The sum of all angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. Okay, say sum of all angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. To solve here angle x, you have angle x is equals to 180 for all angles, then you subtract 35 and 80 to get the angle x. Okay, you solve here. Angle x is 180 minus 115. 115 here is 35 plus 80. Okay, I add 2, then you have here 115. Then to solve for angle x here, 180 minus 115, then you have 65. Correct, students? This is your answer for angle x. Next is the sum of angles at a point is 360. Here, students, if you see the right side here, all angles here, okay, the sum of angles here is 360. Okay, if we solve here for the angle here, angle x here, you have here angle x is 360 minus 95 plus 35 plus 120. Okay, you subtract all of that, then you get the angle x. Okay, to solve for that, angle x is 360 minus 250. 95 plus 35 plus 120, then you get 250. 360 for angle x here minus 250, then you get your answer is 110. Correct, students? This is your angle x. Next is vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, vertically opposite angles are equal. Look at here, the picture here. If the opposite of x is 60, they are the same. Okay, then angle w and then y, they are equal, opposite. Okay, to solve for angle x, because they are opposite and they are equal, is 60 degrees. Correct, students? Okay, they're the same. For angle y, okay, the same with angle w, they're the same, they're equal. To solve here, you subtract 360 minus 120. Because you have here angle x here is 60 and the opposite is 60, you have 120. Then you get 240. 240 here is for angle w and y. Then you divide this one by 2 to get for angle y only. Angle y is 120 degree. Correct, students? For angle y. For angle W, also the same with angle Y. Correct, students? They are the same. That's why if you add angle W and Y, you get 240. Then your answer here is angle W and angle Y is 120. Correct, students? Okay, now let's move to your proper lesson. Okay, students, open your book, page 23. This is about Part A, angles in triangles. Okay. Number 1 is the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Again, the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay, look at here. First here, okay, you have angle, okay, A, then B, and angle C. Angle A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, and triangle is 180 degrees. Next is try to solve this triangle. You have R here. Okay, we're going to find R. Then you have 40, and then you have here the right triangle here, and the value is here is 90. Okay, now you have the sum of angles of a triangle is 180. This one is 180 minus 40 plus the blue color here is the angle is 90. Then you have 180 minus 130. Your answer is 50 degree. Okay, students, next is the next triangle here. You're going to find the angle W. The sum of angles of the triangle is 180. Then you subtract 110 and 120. Okay, 110 and 20 right here. 110 degree and 20. Then you subtract to 180. The answer is 50 degree. Correct, students? Okay, number 2. An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior angles, opposite angles. Okay, students, exterior angles of a triangle is equals to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Okay, look at here. If this is a triangle, then you have the extension here. Then we're going to find W here, the angle W. To find the angle W, you add angle X here and then Y. That's why you have here angle W is equals to angle X plus angle Y. We're going to solve this one to try. Find angle X. Okay, to solve the angle X here, you add the opposite angles. That is 130. Then you have here 100 degree plus 30 degree. Your answer is 130 degree. And for the other one here, we're going to find angle Y. Okay, the red circle here. Then to solve the angle Y, you add the opposite angles. Okay, interior opposite angles. That is 30, and then the other one is 30. Then you add 30 degree plus 30 degree is equals to 60 degree. That is the angle Y. Correct, students? Number 3. Number 3, an isosceles triangle has two equal sides. The base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. Okay, which one? Here, isosceles triangle, we have two equal sides, okay, and the base of the triangles are equal. Okay, the same here. Okay, if there is angle A here and angle C here is equal. Okay, and then you can see here if that is have line here, two lines here, small lines here, that is equal angle. Okay, angle C and the other one is angle A. Let's try to answer this one. Okay, you have here 20 degree inside, then we're looking to find the angle C. Okay, the interior angle of a triangle is 180. Okay, then you subtract that one to 20. 180 minus 20, that is 160. This is 160 is for two angles for letter Z here. Okay, if you get only one, you divide this by 2, then you get angle Z here for one side is 80. Correct, students? And the other side is 80 degree. Okay, example, the other one here. You have here the base, the y here is the same, equal sides here, that is equal, and then you have 140 here. The interior angles of the triangle is 180. Then you subtract here for 150. 180 minus 140, and then equals 40. 40 here for two angles here for y, two y's here. I divide this one to 2 for each one, then you get 20. Okay, angle y, the other side is 20 and the other side is 20. Correct, students? Number 4. Number 4. An equilateral triangle is a triangle with 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles. Again, if you say equilateral triangle, the triangle with 3 equal sides. The same now. Okay, and 3 equal angles. The same angles also. You have here angle D, okay, sides D, side E and F, they have equal, and they have the angle here inside, they are equal also. Correct, students? Okay, because they are equal sides, therefore 3 equal angles also. Correct, students? Okay, students, this is your exercise for today. This is page 24, exercise 3.1. Okay, the following figures are not drawn to scale. This is 1, 2, 3 exercises. Okay, please answer, and then after that you check your answer. I will give you the answer next. Okay, students, this is your answer for your exercise 3.1, page 24. Okay, the following figures are not drawn to scale. It means the drawing here is not perfect. Okay, number 1. Okay, find angle A. Where is that? Here, I circle angle A. To solve for angle A, Okay, equals 180 for the sum of all angles for the triangle, and then you subtract here the angle 67 and then 50. Then your answer is 180 minus 170. Then you get the angle A is equals to 63 degrees. This is your answer for number 1. Okay, students. Next problem is number 2. Okay. Number 2 is MNO is an isosceles triangle. Find angle N. Okay. If we say isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Okay, we call that isosceles triangle. Okay, like this. Okay, two sides the same angles. Okay, where is angle N? The angle N is here, and then the other side is angle O. Angle N and O, they are equal. They are the same because this is isosceles triangle. Okay, to solve for that, you say angle N is equals to 180 minus 82. Okay? Then the answer is 98. 98 here is the angle of letter N and O. Okay? If you add N and O because they are the same, that is 98. To get only the angle N, you divide this by 2. Okay, they are the same. That's why you get here angle N is equals to 49. 49 for angle N is equals to 49 for angle O. They are the same. If you add them, you get 98. This is your answer for angle N, 49 degree. Okay, students, this is your next problem, number 3, or this is your last problem, number 3. ABC is a straight line. BCD is an isosceles triangle. Find angle DBA. Where's that? Okay. An isosceles triangle, then extended here. Then we're going to find the angle DBA. Where's that angle? This one, the color right here, the circle here. We call this angle DBA. Okay, students, the circle. To solve this angle, it's like the sum of two opposite interior angles. Okay, this one. Okay, if we know here angle C here is 70. Okay, 70, because this is isosceles triangle here. This angle D here is also 70. Correct, students? They are isosceles triangle. The angle C here and angle D here, they are the same, equal. That's why you have 70 here, and the value for angle D here is 70. Correct, students? Now, to solve for angle D, B, and A, you add, okay? Because 70 plus 70. Correct, students? Opposite, interior opposite. Correct, students? Okay, the opposite is 70 and the other one is 70. Okay, the angle DBA is equals to 140 degrees. Correct, students? This is your answer for number 3. Okay, students, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, students. Bye bye.